if you are wondering if you need to purchase a charger or a power adapter for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then technically the answer is yes, it will be definitely more convenient to get the power adapter or charger. Ideally, you want to get the Samsung charger to be able to charge your S25 Ultra, although it is not really necessary. If you want to, you can use pretty much any other power adapter. It should work as well. For instance, in my case, I use Xiaomi power adapter and it works just fine. However, if you are considering not purchasing the power adapter for some reason, or if, I don't know, if there's any other reason why you don't want to get the charger, then you can still get, for instance, a wireless charger. Because, of course, over here we have wireless charging available on this device, so you can use that as well. And if you don't want to purchase anything, you can still charge your phone by simply using the USB cable that you have inside the box that you got with the phone. But as long as you have any other device that can charge with USB, so for instance a laptop or a PC or a computer in general, as long as you have the USB-C port available on the computer, or if you have another USB cable that is USB-C into USB Type A, then in that case you should be fine and you can charge like that as well, but it will be much slower. And that is pretty much it. And if you're looking for the recommended charger or the power of the charger, then in that case you can use, for instance, something between 10 to 45 watts, and this should do the work and it should be just fine. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.